Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. In the beginning, at the outset, I would like to share my gratitude, my thankfulness to the management of this hospital and to the doctors over here. Myself and my wife, we came from Bangalore and we got admitted here for pain in the knees, stiffness in the joints, and pain in the lower back. And what I have noticed here is, from the doctor's point of view, the doctors have been very cordial and very systematic and scientific in evaluating the problems, and then they gave a treatment as per their protocol. And today I am being discharged after staying here for about 30 days, and I feel comfortable, and same is the case with my wife. From the treatment point of view, it was well planned, and we are very happy with the treatment that has been given to us. A couple of words that I would like to talk at this juncture is the paramedical staff, the nursing, have been very, very cordial, and they were very duty-minded. They were very punctual. They used to come at dot time and take us to the respective departments for the treatment, and they used to bring us back. I always used to see a smile on their face every day, and this is really a good gesture. And Alikutty's hospital is fortunate to have a very nice team of paramedical staff. Even the doctors, I should say, they spend a lot of time with the patients. They come in the morning and then they take a round. Again in the evening they take a round, and they spend a lot of time. We discuss in depth about our problems and the progress that we have been achieving all these days. I am really thankful to the core committee of the doctors here for their valuable time and the treatment. Another point is the housekeeping and the cleanliness in this hospital that I have noticed. Everything is properly placed. The rooms are well cleaned and dressed, and housekeeping is done by the housekeeping team, and cleanliness, gardening, everything is maintained well. So this way, it is a complete holistic performance of the whole hospital that has got its accreditation, as well as it is earning laurels from all the people, whoever has come here. Every patient whoever gets admitted here, at least for myself and my wife, we were feeling homely. Even whatever we wanted to eat, we used to order, and the canteen people used to bring us the food that we order, and they were also doing a good service. See, from all this point of view, we like the treatment here. We like the treatment from the doctors. We like their nature, soft nature, polite nature. They discuss and they give all the wholehearted support and suggestions to us, and this is really great. Nowadays, doctors really spend very little time with the patients in outside hospitals, but here we are fortunate that doctors spend a lot of time with the patients to know about their cases, and when the doctor knows about the problems of the patients, then only he can do a proper diagnosis, then he can give a proper treatment. So we are very happy, we are very fortunate that we landed up in this place in Alikutty's hospital, and we got treatment in a very nice way. And I'm thankful to the team of doctors and the team of paramedical staff including physiotherapy, massage therapists, and all those things, who were doing their job to the level of their own perfection, I would say. And besides this, they were too punctual. Dot time they used to come to pick us up, and they'll finish their job, and they used to drop us back at the rooms. So these are all the good points that I have noticed in this hospital, and I strongly recommend whoever has got any problem, he might come here, at least take consultation from the doctors, and they are very honest in giving their consultation. What is possible, what is not possible, what is possible in what course of time. All these things, they were very honest, and they will speak out in the beginning itself without any hesitation. So finally, I would like to conclude saying that this is a nice place for having a treatment of Ayurveda as well as combined with allopathy, because there is a faculty of allopathy as well as here. There is a pharmacy of Ayurveda as well as allopathy here, and doctors, whichever treatment is required, they decide and they give. I conclude my talk thanking one and all in this hospital, and I strongly recommend whoever has got any kind of problem, they can come here, take opinion of the doctors, and decide their further course of action. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I thank very much for having a feeling that I was part of the family of Dr. Alikutty all these days, and I thank one and all in this organization. My thanks are due to Dr. Rahmatullah, Dr. Sirwatullah, and Dr. Jesasan, Dr. Nihad, Dr. Nofel, Dr. Soumya, Dr. Sirisha, Dr. Jayakrishan, Dr. Shingli. All these people have been time and again, they were coming to us inquiring about our conditions, and they have been giving us very good treatment. And the treatments are well coordinated by the PRO, Mr. Munir, and the reception also was too good in organizing whatever we wanted. So I would say every department has done their job to the best of their perfection, and that's what makes us happy, and that's what makes the patients happy, because when you talk to them to know about their heart conditions, to know about their difficulties, that is half the cure. And then the final cure comes from the Almighty. Doctors give treat and He heals. This is what we believe in. And they have been very meticulous in doing their job. And we hope that all the patients whoever is coming here is totally satisfied. He gets well treated and goes home happily. And so am I, going home happily. And most of the problems that I came with are addressed, and thank God, and thanks to the team of doctors who have attended, including the paramedical staff, including the therapists, including the housekeeping team, including the canteen team, and all the other staff who are working here directly and indirectly. Thank you very much. And my wife also had a same feeling that the treatment of doctors towards her was like a brotherly, sisterly treatment, and she was very open to discuss all her problems with the doctors, and they used to spend a lot of time, sometimes talking in the lounge, sometimes talking in the reception, sometimes coming to our rooms. Every day they make minimum 2 trips, one in the morning, one in the evening, and this is how the patients are taken care of in this hospital. I thank and I strongly recommend those people who have got any kind of ailment, they can come here and take the treatment. Thank you very much.